to have you here at the celebration of the 30th year anniversary of the Karen Hospital's arm of the Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR, on the Heart to Heart Foundation, a noble initiative that seeks to help children in the diagnosis of heart problems and ensure longevity in such patients. Your Excellency, sir, without further ado, I wish at this juncture to invite one of the founders, Dr. Betty Gachagua, to give us her opening remarks and acknowledge the leadership present. Welcome, Dr. Betty.
Our good participants, the students, the children, and other people here, how are you? Asante sana. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Honorable Ruto and Gachagua, the leaders of Nairobi County, Mheshimiwa, my best friend, Pasaris, Betty Elashi, and our good friends, we are really honored to be here today. Furaha iko mingi sana, hata moyo inapiga. which is very good. You know that song that says moyo inapiga? So this is the 30th anniversary of the Heart to Heart Foundation, Heart Run. We have been doing this every year, Your Excellency, every year since 1993. And every year we have had people, well-wishers, coming to wish us well and help us to take care of children with heart diseases. As you are told, my name is Betty Gachagua. Almost. But you know, there's a saying in the Bible that he who comes after me is what? Is greater. And who comes after me than none other than Dr. Betty Gachagua, who comes this way and comes this way to the mic and comes to say hello to the Vice President, First Deputy President, and comes to give us her remarks on this occasion. The Heart to Heart Foundation is the charity arm of the Karen Hospital, which takes care of our corporate social responsibility. And this is something we should encourage every organization to do, because as we serve you in other areas of medicine, we should also remember the less fortunate in our community. And there is nobody I know who is so concerned about these other social responsibilities than our Deputy President, who has agreed to come this very early, cold morning to be with us. And again, sir, we thank you and the whole leadership of the Nairobi County. The Karen Hospital is very proud to be part of this organization, which is now, as I said, 30 years. And over those 30 years, over 600 children have been assisted to have surgery which they couldn't have had.